Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today I am excited to show you how to wrap up this simple, super healthy, delicious vegetable salad that is perfect for any meal. Okay, so first thing first, I grab all my fresh veggies. I have cabbage, carrot, tomato, and cucumber. I start by washing them in a bowl with a little vinegar, of course. This not only cleans them but also gives them a light tangy base. And if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Once my veggies are nice and clean, I chop them into very small pieces. This makes them perfect for mixing and ensure every bite is full of flavor. Next, I take some grapes, but you can leave out this part, but I think it's very delicious with some grapes. So I'm just gonna cut them into half and add them to the bowl. The grapes add a boost of natural sweetness and a refreshing twist up to the salad. So yeah. I toss everything together. Typically, a Jamaican style salad might have a bit of extra sugar and vinegar, but today I am just gonna keep it natural, simple, right? But if you like a bit of extra zest, you can always add a squeeze of lemon juice or serve it with your favorite sauce on the side. Now, here it is. It is very simple, healthy, and colorful. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.